Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I'm going to show you all charging methods for your earbuds JBL Tune 115. And the first one is to use an adapter and USB-C cable. So just connect adapter to the power. And right here at the back side of the charging case we have USB-C port, so connect USB-C cable in this port. And right here we can see this LED light, so it means that it's charging. Also, we can use a phone to charge our earbuds, and all you need to have is just USB-C to USB-C cable. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone, and the second one to USB-C port on your charging case. And again we can see this LED light, so it means that it's charging. Also, I'm tried wireless charging station and this earbuds doesn't support charging of it, and also reverse wireless charging and still it doesn't charge. That's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!